Ji-soo lost everything. His secret business collapsed, and his father disappeared with all the money he had saved. Ji-soo called one of his father's acquaintances to find out his father's current address and decided to go there. Kyuri joined him on this journey. They arrived in a small provincial city and secretly entered Ji-soo's father's house to wait for him. When morning came, his father came to retrieve his laptop but was caught by Ji-soo and Kyuri. Ji-soo asked about the money, but it had already been invested in a new cryptocurrency, and in the blink of an eye, 92% of it was lost. Angry, Ji-soo used a taser on his father, but it caused no further pain. He quietly left the house and had to take the bus back to Seoul. Meanwhile, due to Ji-soo losing his phone, Wong Chaeol and the women are on an indefinite work break. The women pool their money to find Wong Chaeol and ask for protection, but the manager refuses. Meanwhile, Kyuri returned the phone to Ji-soo and left, and Ji-soo has not been able to resume work with that phone. He intends to be more cautious than before. The police continued their investigation into underage prostitution, and Minnie realized that her boyfriend Kitae was not truly in love with her, but was with her for her money. In fact, she had been paying for all the expenses while dating him. Frustrated, Minnie went to Wong Chaeol and asked to start working again, but Wong Chaeol refused, saying he had not yet heard from Ji-soo. He advised Minnie that this work was not suitable for her and she should stop. The next day, Kyuri and Minnie happened to meet in a teacher's office. Kyuri subtly asked Minnie what kind of part-time job she was doing, but Minnie did not answer. Ji-soo proposed to Wong Chaeol to start working, but Wong Chaeol asked him to first pay his pending salary. Ji-soo reluctantly took a delivery part-time job, but the amount was far too little. Kyuri offered to give him the money so she could join too, but Ji-soo refused. The women involved in prostitution could no longer wait and were looking for another way. Ji-soo scored terribly on his school exam, ruining it. He punched the friend who was mocking him and looked at Kyuri. Angry, Ji-soo told Kyuri to join his business.